my beautiful snowflakes out there, and welcome to this Farina hat for shit. We'll try to figure this printout to not be. If you do have problems with the printout, you can reach out to me. Don't laugh! Why were you laughing? Section below or to my If you do have any problems, print from do not hesitate to find a link to her. Folder that is of course the size of the hat to the patterns, and you can download them for free. Hi all my beautiful Below you will find a link to print the patterns. The patterns include the size of the hat, and you can find the details. And the patterns also have the details. And the patterns also include how to make the details and a cutout order. Hi beautiful snowflakes out there. Welcome to this tutorial on Instagram. We will try to figure it out together. Without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Wow, girl.